It has been a successful investigation, though I'm sad we never found any weed.
You mean like because she likes gardening? The gardening book, right? I guess that she got rid of all the weeds.
Oh, she probably hides it in a special lockbox that only opens when you perform a secret handshake with a cat.
Do you count as a cat? We could try.
When was the last time you actually saw my cool cat ears?
It's been a while.
Well, to be honest, let me put my cool cat ears on and then we can try.
Okay.
There we go.
Let's go. Yeah. I see him. I see him. Fluffy, fluffy.
Okay, that's a lot of cat hair in my hand.
Can you say meow?
Meow.
Meow. Is this part of the handshake? You lead the way, okay?
Okay, part of the handshake usually involves holding up both hands like a cat and then pretending to wash your face.
Okay.
Now you try.
Okay, I got both my hands up and I'm gonna wash my face.
You have to make cat ear motions too.
Are you just trying to make me be a cat? Is that what this is?
No. Not at all. Do you not want to perform the secret handshake?
No, I do. I'll keep going. Okay, I got my cat ears. Meow, 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 meow.
Nya
Okay,
tilde.
now you have to do it.
Nia.
You have to do the pause and everything.
Oh, you're going to make me blush.
You gotta do the pause and then you gotta wash your face and say, Nya. Oh, you're a little cat.
Okay. Let me try again. Nya tilde tilde. Did I do good?
Yeah, and can you wash your face as well, like a cat?
What this?
Yeah. Dog. What's the next part of the handshake?
The next part is to stand on one leg and wiggle the other like you're a cat scratching its ear.
Okay. Stand on one leg. And then lift one. And then, like, I gotta scratch. You don't mean move my leg, right?
You can scratch with your hand if that's easier.
Yeah, it's a little easier. I'm scratching. It's like I got fleas. Is that part of the handshake?
Yes, that's the final part of the handshake. Now we have to do a secret handshake to seal it.
Okay, I'm ready.
We are now officially cat and mouse husk Yvshalom.
You have to show me how to do the handshake bit.
Hold out your right hand and then slap my down as hard as you can.
Slap what as hard as I can?
Deep.
Slap what as hard as I can?
Now is this a literal or figurative heat?
What am I gonna... Right, I'm holding out my right hand. And what do I need to slap as hard as I can for the handshake? Your hand.
You need to slap my hand, and the heat is a scale from room temperature to the surface of the sun.
Let's do the surface of the sun. Okay, hold out your hand, and I'm gonna slap it. You ready? Is it the heat? Preemptive?
I'm ready.
Okay, hold out your hand.
My hand is still out.
3, 2... My right hand, yeah? Okay. 3, 2, 1... Wait, I can't get to it. You gotta hold your left hand out. Hold out your left hand.
There.
Okay. Wait, you're running all over the place. You gotta stand still. This is never gonna work. We've moved across the entire room, you know? How can we finish the handshake? Stay
I am
still,
now
okay?
in handshake pose.
Okay, good. Stay still. No, not handshake. You gotta put your hand up. I'm gonna slap your hand, okay? Put your hand up. Like a high five.
Oh, we're doing a high five, not a slap.
Yeah, basically. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. I think you're falling over. That bacon really did a number on you.
You haven't even high-fived me yet. Come on, hit me with your best shot.
I'm trying, but you're in the ground. Stand still, put your hand out, and I'll do it.
Okay, my hand is out. Op me.
Okay. Okay. I'm scared I'm gonna hit you if you keep moving. Stop! Stop moving! I can't do it! I'm trying so hard. What am I supposed to do? Whoa.
Here my hands are still.
Okay, your hands are still. Here we go. Ready? This is so hard. Stay still. Put your hand out.
I promise I won't move.
Okay. Put your hand out.
Wheezy.
Okay. I'm trying so hard.
I'll be the stillest I've ever been in my entire life.
Okay. You gotta stay. Okay, 3, 2, 1. What are you doing?
I'm trying to stay still. But I keep moving because I'm so excited.
Yeah, you're too excited for this handshake. It's not gonna work. We should do something else.